I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Everybody's looking for a Bitcoin dump. So the question is, does the market do what everybody expects it to do? You can build a case where the bulls have a ton of work cut out for them, for sure. We're at a major decision point for Bitcoin, period. You've got this falling wedge that Bitcoin's been in for almost 100 days. Right now, you've got a rising wedge with 68% chance this breaks to the downside, 35,000. Potentially this rolls over and comes down and tests 31,000. Okay, that's what the percentages say, the probabilities say should happen. And then you've got $40,000 strong overhead resistance, right? So everybody's watching this upper trend line. One thing I noticed on the Bitcoin daily RSI is you've got a breakout. We've been waiting for this trend line to break out. And Bitcoin, this trend line's been broken, right? But you're definitely at a decision point as far as the price action goes. So you've got overhead resistance. So this is the ceiling, and then this is the floor. So you have this ascending triangle, right? So, I mean, the measured move is up here around 40,000, right? But then this trend line comes into play. Sometimes with this trend lines, it's tough. Like, where's the exact trend line? But you're at overhead resistance. Like the ceiling is right here. Like Bitcoin bulls have to show up and do something, right? You get a break higher, you could see a move to 40,000. If we go to the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and how I've been trading a lot recently is just kind of watching these levels. The SPX, we're going to talk about that in just a second, how the stock market is clearly moving the Bitcoin market. You see, this has been resistance, 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 and then the price action broke resistance and flipped it as support, support, broke higher, tested this, came back down here, retested this level, and now it's testing and holding this level. Okay, so it's holding all these levels. Now, on the shorter term time frames, TA says this thing heads higher. And everybody's worried about this trend line. They're waiting on this trend line, waiting on this trend line. There's a decent amount of shorts. You got more shorts than longs right now. So will shorts get squeezed. You get some type of breakout, move higher. Shorts will buy Bitcoin just to cover. So it's all about to happen. Set your Bitcoin alerts and let's ready for some market fireworks banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Michael and Elizabeth, they hit $170,000 trading crypto. They started with 14,000 in January, last January. So pretty powerful to see over 10x profits in a year. This person, you helped me make BR, shout out to you, $46,101 in one day. Thank you. I want to meet you. Yeah, we got to do crypto meetup soon. This person, Kucoin, had a gem pick banger. I gave it to you guys yesterday. I'll show you in a second. This person's up $6,000 on Kucoin last 5 days. If you are not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. So if we go to CNN Money, you see that SPX, S&P 500 futures are up 1%. These markets are green, right? So then S&P 500, SPX, so here's your floor, here's your floor, here's your floor. It's broken higher. So now what's this going to do? This thing, if SPX breaks out higher, then I think Bitcoin follows, right? Bitcoin's been following this thing. It's up right now in after hours trading. It is approaching overbought, but you got this next level of resistance to watch for the stock market, SPX. Bitcoin dominance. We talked about we're going to get some altcoin movement with a retrace and break to the downside, and we have. We've had really good Ethereum trade. I've got a good setup, a strong setup for AVAX. Again, Bitcoin is going to drag these altcoins around like it's nothing. So if Bitcoin doesn't move higher, then this long trade in a second I'll give you will not play out. Sometimes it's important to go over and check out Bitcoin CME futures, because what I want to show you with these trend lines, watch this. So up here, make sure you get your good touches in, right? Potentially this is a bull trap. So if that's the case, whenever you get these bull traps, you're looking for a move the opposite direction, right? So breakout, swing failure pattern, major move to the downside, right? This one broke to the upside seemingly, faked out. Anytime you get a fake out, this thing's going all the way the other direction. All right, so here we are. Are we going to get a fake out and then a move the complete opposite direction? Now this is just gray area, right? It's hard to open up massive longs based on you're right at overhead resistance, but 40,000, if this thing pumps. Ethereum has been pretty strong. I mean, it's been stuck lately with Bitcoin, but Ethereum, one of the stronger altcoins. And again, we talked about Bitcoin dominance breaking down and this stronger DYP. I talked to you guys about this yesterday. Massively undervalued altcoin. Banging. DYP 50% gains in a day based on this retest. 50% in one day. DYP banger. Gem Pick City. Make sure, make an account on Kucoin. The VIP link for Kucoin is in the description. AVAX looks strong here. Looks like Ethereum, right? Ethereum before it took off. But again, you don't, Bitcoin, it's up to Bitcoin, right? You have to watch Bitcoin. If this thing can hold and retest, Bitcoin continues higher, you could see $84 out of AVAX. If not, if Bitcoin rolls over, this thing's rolling over too. It's not rocket science. We do this every day. Like, just understand, like, Bitcoin's a driver, but pre-market SPX, which has been moving Bitcoin higher, is up. So will this continue to the morning for the U.S. stock market open? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.